Hey you! Welcome to the Hopping Shopping channel's second video. Today, we've compiled the deals from one of your neighborhood's most popular supermarkets, Meijer, just for you. Fantastic discounts on food, beverages, cleaning products, and more are waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest deals every week. Now, let's dive in and enjoy the shopping spree. Are you ready? Let's get started. Sweet seedless mandarins or navel oranges. $1, fresh from Meijer 80% lean ground beef. $1.99. Baby cut carrots, $0.99. Dole salad blends, $5. Dietz and Watson ham or chicken, $9.99. Bulk Cosmic Crisp, Evercrisp, or Envy apples, $0.99. Atlantic salmon portions, $7.99. Starbucks or Dunkin' coffee or K-Cups, $6.99. General Mills cereal, $4. Chobani Flip or Creations Greek yogurt, $8. Sargento shredded, chunk, or sliced cheese, or Kraft Philadelphia cream cheese, $5. DiGiorno pizza, $3.99. Classico pasta sauce, $1.49. Pepperidge Farm goldfish, $4. Bud, Miller, or Coors, $22.99. Gatorade sport drinks, $6.99. Modelo or Corona, $23.99. Charmin bath tissue or Bounty paper towels, $6.97. Strawberries, $5. Tide liquid laundry detergent or Gain liquid softener, $9.99. Greenhouse grown premium tomatoes, $1.49. Small avocados, $0.59. Certified Angus beef bottom round roast or boneless eye of round roast, $4.99. Jimmy Dean fresh or fully cooked breakfast sausage rolls, links or patties or bacon, $8. Fresh from Meijer Ultimate or sugar cookies, $3.98. Fresh from Meijer donut holes or gems, $3.79. Stuffers bowl fulls, frozen entries, or lean cuisine balance bowls, $7. Red Baron frozen pizzas, $11. Meijer chunk shredded or sliced cheese, $7. Fairlife ultra-filtered milk, $8. Edy's ice cream or Outshine fruit bars, $5. Quaker instant oatmeal or Kellogg's cereal, $6. Betty Crocker favorites, brownie mix or cake mix, $1.49. Folgers ground coffee or Caribou coffee, $7.99. Campbell's condensed soup, $4. Chef Boyardee pasta or Idahoan potatoes, $5. Mars share size candy, $4.49. Doritos or Tostitos, $6. Entenmann's Little Bites muffins or Thomas's bagels, $7. Coca-Cola, Pepsi, 7UP, or Dr. Pepper products, $14. Ice Mountain 100% natural spring water, $4.49. Bounty paper towels, $14.99. Angel soft bath tissue, $6.99. Gain liquid laundry detergent, flings or fireworks or Downy Unstoppables, $12.99. Certified Angus beef boneless ribby steak, $12.99. St. Louis style ribs fresh, $3.49. Purely Meat Company ground pork, $4.99. Certified Angus beef, $6.99. Bob Evans single serving sides, $3.79. Purdue 93% lean ground turkey, $4.99. Eckrich meat or cheese franks, $1.49. Land O'Frost premium lunch meat, $5.69. Meijer thin sliced lunch meat, $7. Gala, Fuji, Granny Smith, or Pink Lady apples, $3.99. Anjou pears, $3.99. Large or yellow dragon fruit, $3.99. Blackberries, $5. Greenhouse grown cucumbers, $0.99. Green bell peppers, $0.99. Sweet onions, $4.49. Red or yellow potatoes, $4.49. Earthbound Farm organic salad, $4.99. Brussels sprouts, $2.79. Broccoli crowns, $0.99. $99. Dozen roses bouquet, $19.99. Sara Lee ham, $7.99. Fresh from Meijer fried chicken or dark meat fried chicken, $7.99. 8 inches strawberry shortcake cake, $9.99. Bumblebee chunk light tuna, $0.99. Hellmann's mayonnaise, $3.49. Male mustard or Hellmann's sauce, $2.99. Sir Kensington's avocado oil mayonnaise, $5.99. Knorr pasta or rice sides, $5. Knorr rice cup, $2.79. Lipton recipe secrets, $1.79. Breyer's ice cream or Klondike ice cream bars, $7. Magnum ice cream bars, $7. Ben and Jerry's ice cream or Talenti sorbetto or gelato, $8. Jimmy Dean breakfast bowls or egg bites or Eggo frozen waffles, $2.49. Pillsbury frozen toaster strudel or toaster scrambles, $8. Kellogg's Pop-Tarts, $4. General Mills giant size cereal, $4.99. Post cereal or General Mills Chex cereal, $2.99. Dole frozen fruit, $4.99. Eggland's best large eggs or hard cooked eggs, $3.99. Tillamook chunk shredded or sliced cheese or cream cheese, $7. Pillsbury crescents or grand biscuits, $6. Donut Shop Green Mountain or McCafe coffee K-Cups, $18.99. International Delight flavored creamer, $3.49. Chobani oat milk or dairy creamer, $3.49. Simply Juice, $7. V8 plus sparkling energy, $4.49. V8 100% vegetable juice, $4.49. Poppy prebiotic soda, $6.99. Caprisoon, $6. Gold Peak tea, $6.99. Ghost or C for energy drinks, $5. Core hydration water or Glasso Smart Water, $5.99. Hot Pockets, $10. Brew Pub Latza Matza frozen pizza, $5.99. Tyson prepared frozen chicken, $10. Healthy Choice steamers or Marie Callender's frozen entrees, $9. Hormel Mary Kitchen hash, $5. Hunt's Mammoth, $5. Progresso soup, $5. Old El Paso dinner kit, $2.99. Guerrero tortillas, $2.99. Maruchan ramen noodle soup, $1.89. And that's it, guys. We're really glad you joined us on this amazing shopping journey. Exploring the fantastic deals at Meijer together has been a blast. It's been awesome sharing this experience with you. Don't forget to subscribe to catch the weekly updates. See you in the next video. Take care.